Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel MJ Manjari. In today's video, we are going to discuss about celebration of Har Ghar Tiranga. The objective of this campaign is to encourage citizens to hoist the national flag at their home and build a personal and emotional connection with the Tiranga. In today's video, we are going to discuss how can you participate in this program as well as how can you become the volunteer. So now let's see in detail. So this is the official website of Har Ghar Tiranga. Celebration starts on 2nd August and ends on 15th August 2025. If you scroll down, here 3 options you can see. First, become a volunteer. Second, upload a selfie. And third, host the flag. First, let us see how can you participate in this program Har Ghar Tiranga. For that, there is 3 steps. First step is you need to upload your name, mobile number, country, your details. Then you need to click the selfie hosting the Tiranga. And third step, you need to upload your photograph. And for that, you need to go here. Here the option is upload a selfie. So let's click on it. If you click on it, here as you can see, you need to enter your detail. Then you can upload your selfie. Now let's see how can you become the volunteer. So for becoming a volunteer, you need to click on this become a volunteer. So now let's click on it. So as you can see, here it is written join the movement, become a volunteer and register. Before registration, just go through that the why you become a volunteer. So the main aim of this volunteer is to promote national pride, inspire civic participation, be a part of historic people movement, earn recognition from Ministry of Culture for your contribution. And what are the different tasks volunteer need to do? Like you need to share the story of Tiranga with people in and around the neighborhood, assess the citizen to host national flag correctly, facilitate the people to click and upload their selfie on portal. Volunteer may buy bulk flag for nearby post office and distribute in neighborhood, receive an official certificate from ministry. And how to register? First, you need to fill out the registration form, share your location detail, and then you will start receiving the task from 2nd August. So now let's click on register. So once you click on register, you need to enter this 3 detail, your personal detail, your location and your account detail. So now let's fill this. Next, in location, you need to enter all this like location type, state and district. So whether you are urban or rural, accordingly you select. In account detail, you have to enter your email ID and password. So now as you can see, it is written register successfully, go to login. So I have registered as a volunteer. Now let's go to login. So as you can see, I have already logged in as a volunteer. So on the top here, volunteer profile is given and below task is given. So now let's see what are the different tasks they have given us. So these are the tasks. Like first task, share the story of Tiranga with people around and you need to upload the pictures of that. Then second task, assist citizen in hosting the national flag correctly. And here you need to upload your photograph as a proof. Then third, facilitate citizen click and upload their selfie on the portal. So their photograph you need to upload here, and whatever the photograph you will upload, it will be showing down here that since I have not uploaded any photograph here, it will be uploaded here. You haven't uploaded any media yet. So in this way you can become the volunteer and complete all the tasks related to Har Ghar Tiranga program. That's all for today's video. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. We'll meet in another video with some more interesting information for you. Till then, goodbye, keep learning.